This silver Dell Inspiron laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. This 1.7 kg laptop features a sleek exterior, making it suitable for people on the go. Powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i3 processor, the laptop allows for seamless multitasking. The laptop comes with pre-installed MS Office, making it ready to use. The laptop features a 4GB DDR4 RAM with Intel HD graphics card that allows you to browse and work efficiently. The Dell laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space, which is sufficient to hold all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 42 watt-hour lithium-ion battery that provides a battery backup of up to 7 hours. This Dell Inspiron laptop has a 14-inch HD display with anti-glare technology, offering an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. It comes with Waves Max speakers for an immersive audio experience. The laptop has 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 1 HDMI port, 1 audio out port, 1 Ethernet port, and 1 microphone port for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with adapter and power cable included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.